to determine the alkalinity of given water sample. Requirement, इसके लिए requirement होगा HCl solution, standard HCl, normality है N/10, alkalinity sample in which hydrogen ion, bicarbonate ion and carbonate ions are present. And indicators are, first is phenolphthalein indicator and second is methyl orange indicator we are using in this experiment. First, what is alkalinity? Alkalinity is the ability to neutralize the acid. In this experiment we are doing, first step is, first we take 10 ml, pipette out 10 ml alkalinity sample and transfer to a conical flask through pipette. This is 10 ml HCl sample which we transfer in conical flask. Then we add 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator into this solution. This is pink color appear. It gives pink color due to the presence of alkalinity. This is NaOH. This is because phenolphthalein gives pink color in basic medium. Then we titrate with HCl solution. First we check, fill the burette with up to the 0 mark. Then start titration until this pink color disappears. Note down the reading. This is called a P reading and our reading is 2.4 in this experiment. Then take 3 readings with the same solution. With the help of phenolphthalein indicator, we identify only the hydroxide ion because H plus ion pass through HCl. So H plus and OH minus ion are neutralized and form water. So pink color disappear on this step. After that, we add methyl orange indicator to identify the other ions like as bicarbonate and carbonate ion. Then we add 2 drops of methyl orange indicator. Yellow color appeared. Then again we titrate with HCl solution until the yellow color changes into reddish. this is the M reading, because this is after the addition of methyl orange indicator. So this reading is known as M reading. And for M reading we count the total amount from 0 to onwards. 4.3 is the M reading. After that we take 3 readings of the same process, repeat for 3 times, for take 3 readings, and same 2 reading here, 2 concurrent reading we are taken for calculation. After that we calculate, we see the calculation in this experiment. This is the experiment. These are the reactions and diagram of methyl orange and phenolphthalein indicator. And after our result of P and M, we match our result with this table PM. P is the phenolphthalein and M is the methyl orange indicator, where the ions are represent hydroxide ion, carbonate ion and bicarbonate ion. When P reading is 0, then the hydroxide are nil and other ions, carbonate also nil, and only bicarbonate ion present, which shown by methyl orange indicator, and that is give only M reading. This chart show when P and M is equals, so hydroxide give P or M, maybe carbonate nil and bicarbonate also nil. Other relation is we match our relation with this table where our result exists. After that we calculate by the using formula N1V1 equals to N2V2, and we calculate phenolphthalein alkalinity N1V1 and N2V2, where N1V1 is the normality and volume of water and N2V2 is the normality and volume of HCl. After that we calculate the normality of our water sample and calculate phenolphthalein alkalinity. Then we calculate by using the M reading, and we calculate the methyl orange alkalinity by using this formula. Then we goes to result amount of hydroxyl ion. We calculate all threes by using this table. If our our result is matched with fourth relation, P is greater than half of M, then hydroxide are calculated by 2P minus M. If carbonate ion is present, then carbonate ion calculated by 2M minus P, and bicarbonate ion in that condition nil. So we calculate these readings by this experiment. So this is complete experiment. Thank you.